Now here's another round of fresh breaking news coming in. Times Now continues to expose the biggest scandal to hit the Modi government. Reports are now emerging that External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj met fugitive Lalit Modi in London last October. The details of that meet are trickling in. Aditi is joining us with more details on that. Yes, Aditi.
In fact, what we are understanding at this point of time is that after Sushma Swaraj took oath as External Affairs Minister, she was supposed to go to London to attend the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas, which was organized there. In fact, the duration of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas was between 16th October and 18th October. In fact, as per reports, what we are understanding at this point of time is that before the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas event, Sushma Swaraj had met Lalit Modi in a hotel in London, where she now the details of what exactly conspired in the meeting, we aren't really aware of that at this point of time, but we are trying to get more details of that. But we are getting these confirmed reports that Sushma Swaraj had met Lalit Modi as last as October 2014, which is after she became the External Affairs Minister, and also this is before she had gone on an official engagement from the government of India. She was sent there as External Affairs Minister to attend the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas event, but before the event itself in October, before 16th of October, Sushma Swaraj had met Lalit Modi. So clearly very damning reports now coming out. How is Sushma Swaraj going to explain and justify it? Not only was Lalit Modi a serial offender in the country, not only was there an ED probe against Lalit Modi, but Sushma Swaraj really going out of the way, misusing her discretionary powers as the External Affairs Minister, and also personally having a one-on-one meeting with Lalit Modi. He was an offender. He is a wanted fugitive man in the country. But despite all of that, Sushma Swaraj as a Foreign Affairs Minister met Lalit Modi on a personal level in London when she had gone in October 2014, and this is something which Sushma Swaraj really has not been pondering upon, for the fact that not only is he a fugitive man, but also her daughter Basuri Swaraj is representing Lalit Modi. So breaking all protocols, breaking all rules. These are the latest reports that we are getting in, that Sushma Swaraj had personally met Lalit Modi in London in 2014 October, before she had gone as a representative of the government of India to attend the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas.